Look at what's happening here. Oh my god. Look at how much snow is on the ground. That car's actually going, but we'll be able to go anywhere in a little while. Jesus. Snow's coming inside. Oh, this is awful. Oh. It's probably 8 degrees outside. 35 mile an hour gusts of wind. Absolutely shitting snow. This is insanity. Let's get some more. It's getting all over my camera. This is bad. Let's not do that anymore. Look at that car. Fucked up. Oh. Oh my god, look at this. Look how much snow is outside. That goes up to your ankles probably. High ankles. Oh.